Jake. Jake. Hey. Hey, Jake. 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 Look up here. Jake. Jake. Look how big he is. Hey, Jake. What you doing, boy? What you doing, Heidi? It's freaking huge, dude. He's not a little bitty puppy anymore. This guy. I like the camera. Jake, where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? You getting frustrated? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? He usually barks when that happens, when I ask him that. He's like, dude, I don't really like to fight. What's all this? Jerk. Hi, cat. Get the cat. Get the cat. Get the cat. That cat never slaps the puppies. It is so weird. Hey, that's a terrible idea. You're going to get shocked. Heidi. Heidi. Don't do that. Don't do that. No. See how good he is? You say no and he completely doesn't do it. These dogs, look what they're doing. They're always doing stuff. Bad puppies. Heidi. Jake, start raising the cat.